hang on, explain that again. Where are we hitting?
Hitting right on this, like right there.
Just on the actual plastic, huh?
Mm-hmm. So he didn't cut that back, and that's kind of the structure to that whole section, so I'm not sure. I think as you get up, maybe there's more room to clear.
Maybe.
In there.
So the plan is right now to just pull the dash out and try and set it down without the dash in it?
Yeah.
All right. I think we can keep on coming down.
Down more?
Okay, hold. Where are we at in the dash? Okay, we got about 3.5 inches to come down. Keep bringing her down, I guess. Just gotta go until...
Front there.
What's that?
Put your weight on this corner up here.
Yep.
It's kind of wedged in there. I don't think it's
Hang on. So we're starting to get into that curvature right there, and I think that's a lot of what he was talking about right there.
Yep.
And we might have to go a little bit more with another slit right here to open that up more. I think that actually makes a lot of sense.
If we beat this in here too.
So we need more on both sides of that, and then yeah, we're starting to get into this edge. Look at this. We gotta cut that right in here. We have to slit the fuck out of that and just bash the shit out of it.
This is kind of where we're running, right? So we need to push that in.
Yep. So we need to slit this a little more, and we need to cut this and push it in, and we're getting on top of that. We're gonna have to cut that whole thing off. Right there, we're damn near sitting on that fucking thing. So yeah, that's gonna have to get cut off.
All right, you got a good idea where we need?
I think so, buddy.
Can I go up?
I think so. Yep, go up. Bring it on up. Oh yeah, right there. It's that fucking corner of that dash piece. Huh. Fucking pathetic.
She is sitting on the Super Duty. A lot of massaging, but just touching over there and on the window. I don't know if you can see that, but it's just sitting on the dash and the metal there.